Tripp Kramer here from trippadvice.com. You're probably watching this video because you either got broken up with, or maybe you broke up with the girl, now you regret it, you want her back. There's a situation where you want this girl back. Or maybe even if you're watching this and none of that applies, you're still wanting to get a girl very attracted to you. Well, there's some stuff I'm gonna be talking about in this video that really makes that possible for you. And let's start from the very beginning here. If you're in a situation where you want to get a girl back, one of the things that most guys do is text and DM and call and show up at their doorstep, begging, pleading. They're there, they're available. I'm talking about you. You as the guy are there and available. You need to do the exact opposite. You need to be unavailable. Okay? You need to be busy. You need to be doing things. You need to stop contacting her. If you want to actually get her jealous, the best way to do that is to disappear. Now, I'm not saying you necessarily have to ignore her, but don't be the one to initiate trying to see her or trying to get her back. All of a sudden, you're going to be gone. And she's going to be like, wait, what's going on? What happened? And the faster you do this, the faster she's gonna be like, what the hell just happened? You see, she expects you to try to get her back. She expects you to try to contact her. And the second you don't, she's gonna be so surprised, she's gonna think that you went missing or something bad happened to you. Obviously, that's not the case. The real case is you're busy doing your own thing. Now, of course, this is not necessarily gonna work every time. If a girl broke up with you or ended it with you, it's because she's not interested in you anymore, so you should be the one to move on. But if you want the best chance of trying to get her back, then you're going to disappear completely. This means that you're not gonna contact her. You're not gonna show up at her door. You're not gonna try to reach out to her. You're not gonna like or comment on any of her Instagram, Facebook, social media posts, whatever. It's gonna be like you don't exist in her life anymore. This gets her thinking about you. This gets her wondering, what happened? Wait, he got over this pretty fast. This might even get her thinking, wait, maybe I do want to get him back. Maybe I do want to be with him, because she's going to see how not needy you are. And it's going to give her space, especially if she broke up with you because you were needy. Right? She's going to be thinking, oh, maybe I was wrong. Maybe I made the wrong choice. Now, if you really want to take this to the next level, what I suggest you do, and this is going to be good for making her jealous, but also for you to get over her, which is the most important, because in most cases, if it ended, I believe you should move on, and you probably should, because it's just done. So you need to start getting back into the swing of life, meeting girls, getting back into hobbies, talking to your friends again, maybe those ones that you started to ignore because you got into a little thing with a girl. You need to get back into your daily routine, and you need to add more flavor to that. You need to be going out and doing stuff. Go out a few times per week, start meeting more girls, start doing approaching. Start using the material that you see on this channel to go meet more people and socialize and get over your shyness. And start posting that on social media. If you guys are still friends on social media, I do recommend that if she breaks up with you, that you cut all ties and delete her from social media. But if you guys happen to still be there and you're posting things that you're doing and you're having a good time, she's gonna be like, wait, what's going on? And I thought he was gonna be really sad. And this could spark some jealousy, and again, then maybe spark this idea of her saying, wait a minute, no. I need to get back with this guy. I made a big mistake. Again, chances are slim, but hopefully you're gonna listen to me and do this anyways, because again, you want to build the life. Building the life gets you over the girl and gets you meeting more high quality women. Now, I want you to be able to prevent this. So I want you to go to the description in this video and click on a little YouTube link that's gonna tell you how to make sure a girl doesn't lose interest. It's a video I made that's gonna help you, so when you're with the girl, she's still interested in you and you don't have the situation where maybe you guys are breaking up. You gotta make sure that she's still attracted, and hopefully you're still attracted to her. Two-way street. So check that out in the description. I'll see you on the next video.
If you're having trouble meeting hot women in your town and getting them interested in you, then listen up. I have an undetectable way of getting girls instantly attracted to you, even if you're ugly, broke, and live at home with your parents. This system has worked for thousands of guys, and it can work for you too. I teach it in my program called Hooked, where you'll also learn 2 behaviors most men do that instantly destroys any attraction. my 3-step friend zone escape plan to reset her feelings for you and get her liking you, 30 different pre-written texts to send a girl that make her want to meet up with you, and how to have unshakable confidence so you can approach any beautiful woman in any place. If you want to learn this and how to get women hooked on you, then go to getherhooked.com. Again, that's getherhooked.com.